Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video, after the convention in Münster, Germany. And this is the balance. Balance because, well, it balances on springs, and it is after the very first episode and the second episode where I added this controller. I now want to do more. And I had some problems with the power. So I want to explore more about it. And another thing is that I have to use networking in this case to control everything. And do things work? Actually, yes they do. But not precisely the way I want, because when I put weight in here, it easily topples. Which I somehow want to avoid by connecting these, but since they are on spring, or since the whole mechanism is on springs, I can't directly connect it. So I have to find a way to avoid that. Then, well, this is obviously not a fischertechnik power supply, and I found that with more models, the more models I use, connecting them using this wire or wires like these via wiring through is not optimal. So, well, that asks for other takes. And let's explore more. Screencast with obviously the camera, then source code and the diagnostics interface. And does it work? Well, yes, it does. Open the interface, select it, and obviously it does work. Then I close it, otherwise I cannot run this code. And point is why I have here two terminals, and why? Well, because the software is on another computer, and this is the computer I record everything on, well, most things. So I have to do it on over the network, which works. So these wires, as I said, are used to connect to another model or another extension of the power source, which is not ideal. Taking this one is a lot better. It's 9 volts, so it operates on this one. The voltages can be set to 12 volts, but that's a different thing. For now, how do I manage this first? I have to put, and let me turn it this way, I have to put the springs, all 4 of them, on a platter and connect the platter to the interface somehow. So this may not be ideal, this may be a lot better. And then 2 by 2 and connect. So that's part of a reconstruction. Then add weight and see if that holds. It should hold. And then run the software again, which by the way has a quirk because somehow this is an interface that I bought second or third hand. And when I put the power on, it automatically goes, well, into some program that I don't know it's there, and it just starts moving, which I don't want. So then I have to put the setting into selective mode, like right now. And right now is that you see it go back and forth. And then I can operate it using either the software I wrote or diagnostic interface. Anyway, time for some hardware addition. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Thanks to my supporters. And if you are not yet a supporter but like to do so with becoming a member via Patreon or Ko-fi, or just a one-time donation via Ko-fi, Buy Me a Coffee or PayPal, please see in the description box under this video. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day. Stay safe. Oh, and by the way, if you want to view everything I did, you will have to either be a paying member or just buy the video, which is also possible, obviously. Have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.